Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to restore missing default power plants on Windows 11. The power plants in the Windows 11 help you manage your computer's performance and energy consumption based on your needs. However, sometimes the default power plants, balanced, power saver, and high performance may go missing due to system updates, third-party software changes, or even incorrect settings. But bother not, because I have found out some pretty handy tips and tricks to get rid of this annoying problem. That's it, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to enable the high performance plan via the command prompt. Note that certain power plants may be concealed or out of sight by default. This is where a pretty neat command prompt command comes in handy in restoring and activating them. To do so, you first have to launch the command prompt as administrator on your PC. And then you have to run the following command to enable the high performance. After that, you have to find out if the plan is now available in the power options. Next up, I will recommend you to reset the power configuration on your PC. Keep a close eye on the unwarranted modifications in power settings or out of the blue contracts with software, as they often lead to missing plans. In this situation, resetting the power configuration becomes the need of the hour for restoring the Windows default power schemes. To do so, you have to launch the command prompt as administrator on your PC, and then you have to run the below mentioned command. And then you have to press enter. Do not forget to restart your PC to apply the changes. Next up, I will recommend you to update the software on your PC. As we all know that Windows updates often fix system issues, updating the software will likely resolve this annoying problem. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your PC. And then you have to click on the Windows Update tab in the left sidebar. Then you have to click on Check for Updates, and then you have to proceed to install the latest version of Windows on your PC. And finally, I will recommend you to run the Power Troubleshooter on your PC. The built-in Power Troubleshooter is blessed with the amazing ability to detect and fix power-related issues on Windows 11. So if the power plants are missing due to system misconfigurations, it can let you restore them to the default state by scanning for errors and applying the needed fixes like a pro. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your PC. And then you have to click on the System tab located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Troubleshoot option. Then you have to select Other Troubleshooters option. Then you have to find the Power option and hit the Run button right next to it. And then you have to go through the instructions to apply any recommended fixes. And that's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to restore the missing default power plants on Windows 11. Hopefully you have managed to fix this annoying problem. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.